Namaste and welcome to our channel Art of Self-Healing. My name is Trupti and she is Mandip. Today she is going to practice with us, and today we have a Shukshma Vyayam, that means it's a micro yoga flow to release the tension from our joints. So today we are going to cover the toes, ankles, knees and hip joints. So let's get started. So roll your mat and now stretch your both legs on the mat. Both legs on the mat. Come to the Prarambhik Sthiti, that means both palms behind your back. And now take a long deep breath in and fold your toes towards the mat. Exhale and now bring your toes towards your body. Again, only toes. There should not be any movement. Your ankle, only toes. Yes. And now exhale and bring to your body. Again, inhale and exhale. This is the good way to release the tension from your toes. Usually we hold all our emotions in our joints, and this is the good way to release all the stress and tension from our joints. Throughout the day, if you do not have much time to do any yoga or exercise, you can take 5 to 10 minutes to release the tension from the joints, so it will give you a relaxation in your body. And now we are going to focus in our ankle. So now take a long deep breath in and bring your both feet towards the mat. Yes, yeah, and there should be movement from your ankle side. No need to really move the toes, only ankle. And now exhale, bring your feet towards your body. Now again, inhale and exhale towards your body, releasing all the tension and stress from the ankle. Let's do for count of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we are going to rotate our ankle. So rotate both ankles clockwise. Yeah. We are going to do for 10. If you are unable to, there is a slight modification. If you are unable to rotate your ankles both sides, then you can rotate one by one in opposite direction. So Mandeep, can you rotate one by one in opposite direction like this? Yes. Yeah. So this is the way also you can do. So now you continue whatever is comfortable to you. So we are going to do for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And now reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now bend your right knee. Bend your right knee and bring your right foot over your left thigh. Ankle outside your left thigh. And now hold your toes. So with the right hand, hold your knee, and with the left hand, hold your toes. And now rotate your ankle. Rotate your ankle clockwise and anti-clockwise. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. We will do for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's do reverse. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now release your right leg and let's do the same to the opposite leg. Just hold your knees and now grab your toes and let's rotate for 10. Only the knee rotation here to release all the tension from the ankle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. And opposite direction for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now release your leg. And now bend your right knee. Underneath, interlock your fingers underneath your right thigh. And make sure that you are sitting in upright position. Do not hunch back. And now take a long deep breath in and lift your right leg up. Stretch up. Exhale, lower it down. Do not drop your feet on the mat. It should be a little bit off the mat. Inhale up for 1, 2, releasing all the tension from our knee. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And release. Let's do to the opposite leg. Interlock your fingers underneath the left thigh. And now take a long deep breath in. Inhale, stretch up, exhale, bring it down. Inhale up, exhale down. Do not hunch back. Make sure that you are sitting in upright position for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. And now bend your right knee, interlock your fingers underneath the right thigh, and lift your right leg up and start rotating clockwise. Little bit higher, start rotating. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and reverse. Reverse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. And now opposite side, interlock your fingers underneath the left thigh and take a long deep breath in. Lift up, lift your left leg and start rotating for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and reverse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and release. Both legs nice and straight. And now bend both your knees, interlock your fingers underneath the thighs, and now take a long deep breath in. Lift both legs from your knees. Yes, hold here and exhale, lower it down. Again, inhale for 1 and exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now stretch both legs and bring both palms behind your back. And bend your knees and tilt your upper torso back, releasing all the tension that we have piled up in our spine area. Relax, open up your chest to the ceiling, hold here for 3, 2, 1 and release, and both legs nice and straight on the mat. Now we are going to do for our hip joints. So bend your right knee, bring your right leg over the thigh, and try to see if you can bring your right heel close, very close to your left abdomen, left side abdomen. Yeah. And now hold your knee with your right palm in your elbows, and now inhale and now exhale. Bring your right knee towards your chest. Now inhale with help of your palm, yes, press towards your mat, and let's pulse it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now again inhale and exhale, bring towards your chest. Yes, 1, again inhale, lower it down, pulse it. Again, exhale, bring it back. Now we are going to just do inhale and exhale, no need to do the pulse it. So now exhale, bring towards the inhale and lower it down for 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you do this practice more and more, one day you can bring your knee to your mat. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And release. Now opposite side, stretch, yes, and now hold your knees, grab your toes, and now take a long deep breath in, exhale and bring your left knee towards your left side of the chest, and inhale, lower it down to your mat and pulse it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, take a long deep breath in, exhale, yeah, and inhale, lower it down for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we are not going to pulse it. Now exhale, bring it to chest, and now inhale, try to see if you can touch the mat. Okay, again, yes, let's do For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. At the same time, make sure that your right leg is straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. And now bend your right knee. Bend your right knee. And now bring your right foot to the left side of elbow, like this, and interlock fingers. And now we are going to rock left and right. Let's do for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Same thing to the opposite side. Interlock your fingers. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Now bend your right knee and hold your right foot with your left palm. Open up your knees. Hold your right knee with the right palm. And now roll, means rotate. You should feel that you're opening up your hip joints. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and reverse. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Same thing we will do to the opposite side. So hold here. You can also hold like this if you want, and then lift your leg and then rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and let's reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Now bring both legs nice and straight. Bring your palms behind your back, and let's release the tension from your spine by tilt your head back. A good stretch at the back, your neck. And now come to the intermediate position. That's it. And now in the next part, we are going to do for our upper body. I hope that you have enjoyed, and namaste, and thank you for practicing with me.